Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by confirming your Windows version and creating a system restore point so you can revert if needed. Once done, back up the registry or an image to be safe. This avoids permanent issues. Next, open Settings, go to Personalization, then Colors, and temporarily disable transparency effects. This first step ensures changes apply cleanly and prevents visual glitches. Follow each instruction slowly, and make sure you understand the restore option before editing system files or installing tweaks. Now you'll perform the core change. If using the registry, navigate to the key and set Enable Transparency DWORD to 1. Explain why. This flag lets the shell render alpha transparency. Alternatively, use a reputable third-party utility and run it as administrator to avoid permission issues. After making the change, restart Windows Explorer or sign out and back in so the shell reloads with new settings. Make sure to check for theme or GPU driver conflicts that can block transparency from taking effect. Finish by re-enabling transparency effects in settings and confirming the taskbar now shows the intended transparency. You should update GPU drivers and test both light and dark themes because compositor differences affect opacity. If the taskbar still looks opaque, try toggling a theme or restarting the machine one more time. One key troubleshooting tip: if something breaks, immediately use your registry backup or system restore point to revert. This prevents lingering shell issues and gets you back to a known good state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.